What's up guys, Ronnie here. In this first video, I would like to address two major shifts we are going through right now. The first shift is a shift in the way we consume information. As the consumers of this information, we tend to lean more and more on social media to be the source for this information versus the traditional media like television or the newspaper. To give you some statistics, nearly 3.8 billion people are using social media nowadays. That is almost half of the world's population. Also, the world's average of time spent on social media is 2 hours and 24 minutes per person and per day. And I'm pretty sure this average went way up during this pandemic. So if we really think about it, where do people spend their time? Well, they spend their time on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, and other social media platforms. So that is shift number one. Shift number two is that we are going through this massive transformation of how we create the content. One of the trends we are observing on these social media platforms is that they are a mobile-first experience. And some of them, like TikTok, are actually mobile-only experiences. And the success of TikTok is probably accelerating the focus on mobile of the other companies like Facebook or Google. All of this to show you that the world is shifting towards a mobile-first experience, and therefore it is your responsibility to see your mobile phone as your way to communicate your message to the world. One of the things I love about TikTok is that today, anybody can become an influencer. All you need is your mobile phone, a dash of creativity, and a big dose of consistency. So if you remember only one thing from this video, let it be this. What you have in your pocket is not just a phone anymore, it's a full-fledged video production studio. Our mission at Canva is to help you design anything and publish anywhere. So in this series, we will learn how to use our smartphone and our app to grow your business. Grab your phone, snap a video, create everything else within seconds in Canva, and post it. It is that simple.